Little Inventory of Poor Images, originally titled Petit inventaire d'images détériorées, is a project I realized while working on the poor image. This term is defined by Hito Struyld, who has written an essay named In Defense of the Poor Image. I've been inspired by the series JPEG by Thomas Ruth and infrared photography, including the work of Smith, with Dalmy Fullman especially. The images you just have seen are the final productions I have selected in order to create a booklet. I've taken pictures with analog devices. Among those are a certain number of portraits I've done with a Motorola mobile phone. From now on, the images showcasted are those I've put one upon another in order to create the composite, which gives those grids above each final picture. Then I photographed patterns in the Orleans Beaux-Arts Museum with the Nikon Coolpix. I then assembled a selection of those images and retouched them by the use of Adobe Photoshop, thus mixing analog and digital media. I've been working on portraits since a young age, and from the beginning of my studies, I've been looking for different ways of taking a portrait. At first, I was searching for a way to represent illustrated portraits by deleting some parts of the face, using painting and drawing. Then I learned photography and was introduced to a new tool, another way of picturing my portraits. My diploma subject is about presence, either revealing or recovering my subjects. In order to pursue this, I made a series of composites. Those images are in the way the continuation of this quest for an original vision of the portraits, keeping this idea of masking my productions using transparency, blur, elements, and patterns, among other things. I've printed this booklet in a few editions, and I am currently working on the following composites. I'll then make a full book with 100 of images in it. I've done some with black and white photography. I've mixed the devices and I'm trying new composition, different effects. I'll print them on various papers and I already tried with the transparent one and put it in one of my editions.